Class 6, welcome back to our e-learning class. Now in our previous class we have started the chapter articles and I have asked you to complete exercise number A. Fill in the blanks with the correct article. Now I will say the answers and you will match whether your answers are matching with mine or not. First one, Lucy Gray was a little girl. It will take us an hour to reach Jaipur. An hour. He considers himself an alien in the television industry. An alien. She wants to study in a university in New Delhi. Now you know university, though it starts with the vowel letter U, but still then we have to take it A because we pronounce it as YU. So a university in New Delhi. My aim is to become an engineer. Though a European by birth, Jay always considers himself Indian. So a European, same type like that, a university, and an engineer. Number 5. So then come to number 7. Our principal is an honorable person. Shane Watson, an Australian cricket player. So an honorable, an Australian. You had a lot of time to complete the exercise. A lot of time. Number 10. Give me a 1 rupee coin. A 1 rupee coin. We know that though it is ONE, but still then we are pronouncing it as wa. W is coming. So 1 rupee coin. Now next, definite article. Da is the definite article which indicates a particular object, thing or person. Example, the book that you gave me was interesting. Here the speaker is talking about the particular book that was given to him or her, and this is indicated by the placed before the noun book. So the book, that means a particular book, the definite book which you have given me. Uses of the. The is used before any noun when we want to particularize it. Particular, we want to mean something definite. At that time we have to use the. We lost the game against Delhi Daredevils. Here the speaker is talking about not any game, but the game, the particular game that his team played against Delhi Daredevils. Examples, the doctor, the chair. Before superlatives, this one we have already studied in our adjectives. No, before superlatives. Example, Three Idiots was the best movie of 2010. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Then before words like first, last, next, only. Example, Sir Edmund Hillary was the first person to climb Mount Everest. Then before a common noun, when that noun represents the whole class. The tiger belongs to the cat family. So here the tiger, we don't want to mean a particular tiger, but we want to mean this particular animal class which belongs to the cat family. Before the names of newspapers, the Times of India. Then the Statesman. Unique things, the sun, the moon, the sky. Geographical proper nouns, the Ganges, the Alps. Holy or great books, the Gita, the Bible, the Odyssey, the Quran. However, when we mention the author's name, we omit. That means we don't use the and write Homer's Odyssey instead of Homer's the Odyssey. This one we cannot write. We have to write Homer's Odyssey. Trains, ships, aeroplanes. The Taj Express, the Rajdhani Express. Well-known buildings, the Taj Mahal, the India Gate. Countries, if it contains a common noun, the United Arab Emirates. The directions, the north, the south. The whole families, the Roys, the Khans. Now where we should not be using the articles, let's see, articles are not used before proper nouns. Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer. Mumbai is in Maharashtra. Here Sachin and Mumbai are proper nouns, hence the is not used. Before abstract nouns, honesty is a rare quality. Before material nouns such as gold, silver, water, gold is a precious metal. We cannot survive without water. But we also say the water in the jug is chill. Why? Because here the article da has been used because we are talking about particular water in the jug. So children, in our next video, we will discuss the answers of exercise number B, C, D and E, which you will which you will already complete sitting at home. Okay, bye.